Right here's an application that we did about a year ago. As you can see on the outside here, there's a new pothole that's created and a crack that's probably going to create more over time. So today we're going to fill this one so that way the traffic coming out of here will have a smooth ride home. All right, let's go knock this out and then we'll feel good. The first step to applying any EZ Street patch is sweeping out the hole, which we've just done. Now I'm also going to pull any small rock particles out of here and just get the stuff that the broom didn't get. And then for this one, this isn't a very big hole, so it's going to take no more than probably half this bag here. We're going to apply our EZ Street inside the pothole here. We're going to now take our tamp and we are going to tamp it in. Also, when applying EZ Street, you're going to want to apply about a 1 inch to 1.5 inch lip on top for any secondary road compaction that's going to come through here through high traffic areas, because EZ Street will compact about 30%. All right, so now that our patch is applied, we're going to go grab the vehicle for the secondary road compaction here. Now that the secondary road compaction there that we applied with the vehicle, this patch is good to go. Another one showing potholes is by.